Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable private browsing on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you want to enable or disable private browsing on iPhone in iOS 27, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open Safari browser, and here you have to simply tap on this icon in the corner, and here you can see private browsing from this button, and you can also see the other tabs as well. So guys, you can see these tabs are not private, or this is not private browsing. And if you want to enable private browsing, then you have to simply tap on this icon again and then tap on private from here. So guys, simply tap on private and then open the private browsing tab here, and here you can see the search bar is in dark black mode. So guys, you can see this. You have to simply search here anything as private browsing. So guys, from here you can disable or enable private browsing on your Apple device in iOS 27. So guys, you can see this. You can easily enable or disable private browsing from here very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.